morning. How you doing today? You might be able to tell it's chucking it down. Soaked on the walk in this morning. Just set the hide up, put everything in the hide, been over to the feeder, repaired the feeder. The bollocks has absolutely destroyed it. I think the birds are emptying it, to be fair, which is not leaving much for any of the squirrels that are coming, and the squirrels are then throwing the toys out of the pram and chewing the feeder up. I am due for a new one, if I'm honest. Yeah, pretty much due for a new one. But you know, if it can last this season, we'll be okay. Anyway, so the glamorous jobs are out the way. I'm just gonna have a cup of coffee and we'll see how we get on today. See you in a bit. 7 2/2 this morning. There's quite a few little kids around, to be fair, driving me up the wall, can't get a shot at them, chasing each other about. But managed to get 2 of them. In amongst that lot there, there's 2 kits of females, and there's 3 adult females, and then 4 males. So yeah, not a bad morning really. Especially considering how bad the weather was first thing. I don't think I actually saw anything till 10 o'clock. But yeah, last twice I've been here now. This is the second time. I'm just setting these up to take a picture of them. And out from behind that stump that's lying the other side of the gate there comes a little vixen. Second time I've seen it. It obviously can smell these little things. Yeah, so I'm going to get them bagged up. I'm going to get myself off. Yeah, the weather's not the best today, but hey, beggars can't be choosers. I had a good day out shooting. All the best, guys.